Alright, so we're going to go through these instructions step by step, and it's going to be a pretty simple process. So, I'm just going to go ahead and start with render.com. So, this is my database. So go ahead, delete database. Obviously put in, you could honestly just copy this. Copy, paste, go ahead, delete it. Alright. From there, that's just your web service. Okay. And then you can go ahead and create a new Postgres. So I'm gonna so it's gonna be pretty hard to name it. But I'm just gonna go ahead, Billy's Postgres. Alright. Okay, and then the database, I'm just gonna call it CSE 340 Postgres. And then call it, then say BB 3 CSE 340 Postgres. Alright. Gotta go ahead and make sure I have that spelled right. Okay. And then go ahead and create a new database from there. It'll take a few minutes to go ahead and actually create that. And since we're doing that, let's go ahead and just delete this whole thing. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this server. Yeah, just get rid of it. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and go to new server. We're going to go ahead, render.com, connection. Let's see if it's done yet. No, it's not done yet. Well, while it's still doing that, we'll just go ahead and make sure that it's required. And that our... Okay, there we go. So we can go ahead and take that. Make sure it matches. CSE 340 Postgres, and then your username is going to be BB CSE. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and copy that. Put it right there. Copy. Okay. We're going to use our external, and then we're going to modify it. So anything after render.com, gotta get rid of it. Anything before the @ symbol, get rid of that, and the @ symbol, of course, as well. Okay. But yeah, that should look about right. Okay. Go ahead and save that. And okay. So there we go. We've created everything now. Then all we gotta do, go ahead, create, type, account underscore type. Okay. Instead of making it a composite, we need to make it enumerate, and then we gotta go ahead and manually add our client. Go to chronological order, employee, and then finally our admin. Okay. Now then, our owner and everything in our client, employee, admin all looks correct. Okay, so we can go ahead and save that. Now then, it'll go ahead and show it right there. Okay. From there, we just go ahead and we take all of the code from the restore.sql that I made and that I put together, and we can just go ahead, go to our tables, query tool, and just go ahead and paste that in, play it. Alright, count already exists. Just making sure it already exists. Okay, sweet. Okay. So we can go ahead and delete that. Now we can go ahead and check. So we can refresh it. There we go. It's obviously there. Everything is there. Okay. Now then we do our part 2, which is our first bit of the assignment for week 2. Our last bit. Yeah. Yeah, the first bit of the assignment for week 2. Go ahead and do that. Okay. Now, if we go into our all rows, we should see that it is updated. So give it one moment. Okay, there we go. Gives you a huge interior. Okay. And then the images and vehicles. Okay, there we go. So that's how we know that that's updated correctly. We can go to our classifications as well, just to make sure. Be doubly sure on everything. Bam, look at that. Beautiful. Alrighty. Alrighty then. Okay, and that really should be it. Yeah. Anyway, all structured data does exist. You have a good day. Bye.